Imagine this. You've just spent hours writing the perfect subject line, you've polished every sentence and designed a beautiful email. You hit send feeling confident, but when you check the results, hardly anyone opened it, and even fewer clicked. Frustrating, right? The truth is, it's not your effort that's missing, it's the small details that actually drive engagement. Today I'll share 5 practical tips to help you boost email engagement. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn your email list into an active and responsive audience. Let's dive in. Email remains one of the most trusted and effective channels to reach your audience, yet it drives growth only if your subscribers move from passive scanning to real interaction. Let's look at the recent statistics. Nearly 99% of consumers check their emails daily, and over half do so before checking any other online content, including social media or news. Remarkably, 52% of people have made a purchase directly from an email, which means that more than half of your mailing list can become your clients if they see the right content. So, creating engaging emails can really make a difference for your business. When subscribers interact with your content, they are not just clicking, they are building a connection with your brand. Strong engagement also improves email deliverability, so your emails reach more inboxes instead of getting lost in spam. And engaged readers don't stop at opening. They visit your website, share your content, and often reply, giving you valuable feedback. That is why email engagement rate isn't just a number on a dashboard. It's the foundation of stronger relationship and real business growth. So how do you make this happen? Let's start with the first step, adding more clickable content. Think about how your subscribers read emails. Most skim through quickly, and if you only have one button at the very end, chances are many won't get there. To fix this, place multiple clickable elements throughout your email. For instance, you can add links to key phrases in your text. Let's say you're showcasing a new product. Then it's a good idea to turn its name into a link so readers can explore it right away. You can also insert a clear call to action button near the top of your email, then repeat it at the bottom. This way you will get more chances that subscribers who don't scroll all the way down the page will still click your link. Or include secondary links like read more, explore details, or see customer stories. This way you will provide readers with extra entry points tailored to their interests. The idea is to make it simple for people to engage at any point, rather than expecting them to hunt for a single link. Static emails often get ignored, but if you make them interactive, you can grab attention right away. With a little creativity, you can transform emails into an engaging experience that sparks curiosity, drives interaction, and strengthens your connection with subscribers. To make your email campaigns more interactive, you can add a quick poll or survey with one-click answers, like which product feature do you like most? This will increase email engagement and give you valuable feedback. Or you can try a simple quiz. Quizzes feel like a fun challenge and give you insights into customer preferences. For promotional campaigns, design a mini treasure hunt with clickable elements that reveal discounts or hidden offers. All these features encourage subscribers to stay longer in your email, often resulting in more clicks. Even the best content can fail if your email looks cluttered or unreadable. Responsive design ensures that readers focus on what matters. Here's how you can improve your email design. Stick to a single column layout for mobile users. Most emails are opened on smartphones, and a clean design prevents endless zooming or scrolling. Use white space strategically. Empty space around text and buttons draws attention to your calls to action. Choose readable fonts and limit yourself to 2 or 3 colors that match your brand voice, as overloading with design elements can distract from your message. Don't forget about images. Compress them to load quickly and always add alt text in case images don't display. When your design supports your message instead of competing with it, your readers are far more likely to take action. Most email campaigns are subscribers to click, but not many encourage replies. Direct replies are one of the strongest engagement signals you can receive. Besides, they can foster genuine conversations with your audience. Here's how you can encourage replies. Ask a question that is easy to answer. For instance, what is the biggest challenge you face while getting ready for an important event? Offer an incentive. You can promise to share expert advice, send a resource, or enter replies into a giveaway. Use personalization in your request. A line like, "Sarah, would love to hear your opinion," feels much more direct than a generic "let us know." Replies improve engagement and strengthen your sender reputation, making your emails more likely to land in your audience inboxes. When subscribers feel like their message is tailored to them, they pay closer attention and engage more. Here's a clear process to help you personalize your email content. Segment your audience by demographics, behavior, or past purchases. Instead of sending one email to everyone, create smaller groups with shared interests. Personalize subject lines. Adding the subscriber's first name or reference during their last interaction increases the chance of opening. Adjust content blocks dynamically. For example, recommend products based on browsing history or show local events depending on the subscriber's location. Personalize the tone. If someone is a loyal customer, thank them directly. If they're new, provide a quick start guide. Personalization shows that you value your subscribers as individuals, and in return, they are more likely to engage. And here's the best part. You don't have to implement all these tactics manually. With SendPulse, you can do it all inside one platform. The drag-and-drop editor lets you design responsive emails without coding. You can add interactive elements like service SendPulse, set up personalization with customer data, and track engagement metrics in real time. Plus, SendPulse allows you to build automated email flows and even combine email with chatbots and SMS for multi-channel engagement. If you want to make your campaigns more effective without adding extra workload, SendPulse is your go-to solution. To sum it up, email engagement isn't about luck. It's about making your emails easy to click, fun to interact with, simple to read, rewarding to reply to, and personal to every subscriber. Start applying these 5 tips and you will see your engagement rates grow. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to subscribe to the SendPulse channel for more marketing strategies and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.